Hi, my name is Avanti Nayal. I'm a first year student here at Krea University, and today I want to touch upon how I have been using the library for the past 8 months and how I think people can make the best use of the resource. So I visit the library at least 3 to 4 times a week. And whenever I come here, I usually read the books that are available in the library as opposed to doing my own work. Of course, you can do both or either of them, but I prefer working in my room. So usually when I come here, I read the books that are available here. My favorite sections are the history and the politics section, and economics, of course, since I'm a prospective econ major. How I think people can make the best use of the library. So firstly, I think that's very subjective, but I think the library's resources are great if you want to learn beyond the textbooks that are assigned to you. So I'd say schedule some time in your week to pay a visit to the library, just browse through the books here, and if you like something, maybe just read a few pages, even that's okay, but just try to maybe broaden the horizons of your knowledge and go the extra mile to learn beyond your textbook. Apart from that, I know a lot of us are, I think at least our generation is accustomed to reading online books. I think there's a certain charm that only hard copies have. I think the smell of like a freshly printed book, and I think that's something that's irreplaceable, at least to me. So I'd say take out some time from your week to pay a visit to the library. I promise you, you'll have fun. And obviously, you'll learn along the way.